Algebra of functions. Let's take a look at the formulas. The very first formula is the sum. F plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. The next is the difference, f minus g of x, that's equal to f of x minus g of x. The third formula is the product, f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. And the last is the quotient, f divided by g of x is equal to f of x divided by g of x. Here's an example. Let f of x equal to x plus 4 and g of x equal to x squared minus x. We are to find f plus g of 2. Here's the analytic solution. If we use our formula, f plus g of 2, that's equal to f of 2 plus g of 2. We're given f of x, which is x plus 4. In order to find f of 2, we would simply replace x with 2. So f of 2 is equal to 6. We're also given g of x, which is equal to x squared minus x. So in order to find g of 2, again we replace x with 2. So g of 2 is equal to 2. Substituting in our original formula, 6 plus 2 is 8. Therefore, f plus g of 2 is equal to 8. Let's take a look at the calculator solution. When entering the equations, we'll let f of x be y sub 1 and g of x be y sub 2. So we should go to the y equals. We'll let y sub 1 equal to x plus 4, and I want to hit enter to go to our next equation. We're going to let y sub 2 equal to x squared minus x. We now need to go to the home screen, so we're simply going to hit second in mode, which is the quit. Since we are finding the sum of the function evaluated at 2, we will let x equal to 2. So in order to accomplish this in the calculator, we'll simply enter our value, which is 2. We're going to use the stow, which is the store, and we're going to store that for x. And we're going to lock it in by hitting enter. Next, we're going to add the two functions together, and we want y sub 1 plus y sub 2. So in order to pull out those functions, we want to go into variables. We want to left scroll over to y variables. We want functions, so we hit enter. The first function we want is y sub 2. So remember that was our x squared plus x. So we're going to hit enter. Plus, we want y sub 2. So again, it's variables. We want to scroll over to y variables. And we want functions, so we hit enter. The next function we want is y sub 2, which was x squared minus x. And we simply hit enter, and we see that the solution is 8. Similarly, we can perform all operations in this manner. We can find f minus g of 2. So using the formula, f minus g of 2 is f of 2 minus g of 2. And from our previous calculations, we know that f of 2 is 6 and g of 2 is 2. So f minus g of 2 is 4. F times g of 2, by using our formula, it's f of 2 times g of 2, which is 12. For our quotient formula, f divided by g of 2, that's 6 divided by 2, which is 3. We can also do these same things on the calculator. I'm going to use a shortcut. I'm actually going to scroll up through the memory on the calculator. So if I hit second and enter, it's going to show me the very last line of code I entered, which was the y sub 1 plus y sub 2. So what I'll simply do here is I'll scroll over and I'll change the plus to a minus. And y sub 1 minus y sub 2 is 4. To find f times g of 2, I'm simply going to use second and enter. I'm going to scroll over and change the subtraction to a multiplication, and here I get 12. And then for our quotient, second and enter, I'm simply going to scroll over and change the multiplication to a division, and I get 3.